So good morning, class 9th. So in today's class, first of all, we will discuss the last homework which I have given. That was, belongs to the pattern printing. And I hope many of you have sent the mail and it was correct. Rachit, your is fine, beta. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Well done. Well done. Very good, beta. Okay, so let me discuss this question myself. So let me share my screen. My screen is visible, bachcho?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now the question was this. Try to understand this. The basics. Those who have done and those who have not done. This is for all. Just try to understand the basics. If you are getting the basics, so any type of pattern you are getting, you can easily understand. Then only you can try. Now see, this is a simple diamond, just like a triangle. So now whenever you are having this type of question, always see the number of rows. After seeing the number of rows, you can see first of all we are printing the blanks. So like here the number of rows are 4. So the first time you are printing 3 blanks. After that one time you are printing 1. This is very important. And on its left there is nothing, means no value is coming. Now come to the second time. There are 2 blanks, then you are printing 1 and 2. So whenever you are getting this triangle shape, so just divide this pattern in 2 parts. One is the right side pattern and one is the left side pattern. This will be easy for you. So now, so the first loop we will put the for rows. Second is for printing blank. Third loop is printing the right pattern, right side pattern, which is coming immediate after the blank. And now for the left side pattern we need one more loop. So total how many loops we are going to use? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Am I clear this? Riddhi,
Yes, sir.
are you comfortable in this,
Yes,
beta?
sir.
Anushka?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now see. So the number of rows you have taken as input. After that, the very basic structure I have told you. See again. This is the common structure which we are going to use. After that, sorry, this closing must be there only. This opening and closing braces are always optional, beta. Why? Because we are writing only single statement after the for. This is the structure. So now we will fill one by one. So whenever you are doing this type of pattern on your notebook, so that would be better, because on computer sometime so first of all we will focus on the right side pattern. So the right side pattern is printing 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So for that just come to the third loop. So this is for printing the 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So every time the printing is starting from 1, so it has to start from 1. This is very fixed thing. Okay, and now loop is executing 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. That means whatever variable you are going to use, it has to start with 1. Am I clear this?
Yes, sir.
After that, what you will print? The value of k. Why k? Because the values are changing. See, 1, 2, 3. So if you are printing the this I value or something else, so it will repeat 3 times or 1 time. But here we want the natural number. So whose value is coming as a natural number? That is the value of k. So if you have written this K, so now this outer loop, that is your I loop, it has to start from 1 to less than equals to n I plus plus. So now the outer and the printing, the right side pattern is coming. But now, before printing this 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, what we are supposed to print? 3 blanks, 2 blanks, then 1 blank, then 0. So for that, the second loop is required. So it has to start from C. If the number of rows are 4, then first time you are getting the blank from 1 to less than n. Next time, again, you can do like 2 to less than n. So there are so many variation you can use. You can use the reverse loop or the start like general loop like this, like j equals to I and j is less than n. This also is correct. And what we are supposed to print this time? The blank. I hope till here I am clear for everybody. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So after this, see the pattern. So after printing 1, we are printing nothing. That means 0 time printing is happening here. 0 time. I am writing here 0 time. That means no printing. But in the second time, after printing 1 and 2, how many time the printing is happening? 1. So I am writing here 1 time. Next time, it is starting from 2 and 1. So how many times? 2 times. So see, the printing is ending on 1, the fixed value. So that means the fourth loop, it has to start like I, j, k, one more variable is required like p. Just leave this part. I am writing this. And now it has to end with, every time it is ending on this 1. And if it is ending on 1, so it has to be there p minus minus. So what we are supposed to print? I have not mentioned the initialization part, that I will do it later. Now see, so first time the value is starting from lucky, it has to execute 0 time. So for 0 time and the starting point of I is 1. So if you are doing this like I minus 1. So I minus 1 is 0. See here, again let me explain. So starting point is I is 1. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 is greater than equals to 1. So this loop will not execute. So that means 0 time this will execute. But next time when the value of I would be 2. In that case, the P loop will start from 1 to 2 minus 1 is 1 till where 1. So 1 to 1 is only once. So what you are printing? 1. So you are getting this 1. Next time I would be 3. So P will start from 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 to 1. So you are getting here 2 and 1. I hope this one is clear, everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Now let me execute this program, then only you will feel better. Now, there is something error, something I have missed. Println, the spelling of the println I have missed. Print, yes, that's fine. There's still one error. Go through the starting point. The variable p I have missed. So these are the common error which you get while executing this. So number of rows I am inputting here 8. Now see, everybody can easily understand and you can compare with the coming output. Any confusion here, बच्चों?
No, sir.
Sure.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Ankit Sharma. Ankit Sharma. Sarthak Pandey.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Ah, very good. Yes, Ghazi. Beta, any confusion? Very good. Bharat Asthana. Bharat. Okay. Prakhar Nayak. Nitya beta, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Very
No
good.
problem, sir.
Good morning. Prakhar, any problem beta?
No, sir.
Ishita?
No, sir.
Pakka beta?
Yes, sir.
Amisha?
Sir, I had mailed you my program at 10 a.m. Sir, I had mailed you again. Sir, can you please check?
Beta, I will check later. Please don't mind, है ना?
Okay, sir.
I
Okay,
think you have done correctly. That is why you are insisting to check right now. But in that case, I need to open my separate mail ID, na? That will waste my
Okay, sir.
time. I will check it. Don't worry. I will respond you. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Shreya Rastogi, any confusion in this question, beta?
No, sir.
If anybody having any query, he or she can ask now, beta. Right? Okay. So now let's move to the next question, bacho. So the next question is for you. You'll have to try yourself. So one more thing, if I am giving this pattern in reverse, like this, so everybody can try this. This is your homework right now. You can copy this. Don't try. Please note down this. There is a reverse triangle of star asterisk. Please note down. Let's try at home. We are going to do some new program. Copied this one, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, so the next program I'm going to show you. Just try to understand. So my next question is to here. You need to print all the twin prime pair below the given limit. So what are the twin prime pair? Uh, please try to understand. Any two number must be prime and their absolute difference must be 2. Please try to understand the meaning. So what are the twin prime pairs? Suppose we have entered two number 10 and 15. So how you can say that these are the twin prime pair or not? If both are prime as well as their absolute difference is also 2, then only these two will be twin prime pair. So the question is you need to print all twin prime pair below the given limit. This is very very important, everyone. You suppose the limit user has entered 10. In that case, the output would be 3 and 5 and 5 and 7. So you do not print like 7, 11 will not come. Why? Because these two are prime, but the absolute difference is not 2. 11, 13, you are not supposed to print. Why? Because this is coming after the limit, that is your n, 10. Am I clear? So below this limit, you need to print all the twin prime pair. Again, I am repeating, both consecutive number must be prime and their absolute difference must be 2. Are you getting this question, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Please try right now.
Yes, sir.
I have pasted the question in your chat box also. Everybody has to try this. Today many are absent. 6, 7 students are still absent. They have not joined yet till now. Riddhi, are you getting this question, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Priyamvada. Okay, beta, please try. Tausif Ansari is there. Tausif,
Yes, sir.
are you getting this question, beta?
Yes, sir. Getting.
Please try. Wahid. Ishika Singh is absent. Dhriti Tripathi is absent. Aprajit Pandey is absent. Aprajit. Harshit Lalwani is absent. Soham beta, please attend the classes regularly and on time.
Okay, sir. Sorry, sir.
Please. Okay, beta. Shubhika Seth,
Yes, sir.
please join on time, beta.
Sir, usually I join on time. Today
Yes,
I
yes,
didn't
I
join
know,
late.
but I'm just reminding you, na. Today you joined late, that is why I'm telling you, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting this question, beta, Shubhika?
Sir, I'm trying it.
Okay, okay. See, before trying, see, if you are trying the question, that means that before that you need to understand the question. If you are not getting the question, you cannot even try. And in that case, this is my request not to try. That would be your guess only. So no need to waste your time. Frankly, you can tell. So if you are getting the question, then only you can go for the second step. That is for implementing the logic. यहाँ पे सुमन लगा दो। कुहू का ब्रेक चल रहा था अभी तक तो अभी मोबाइल ही नहीं कुछ नहीं नाश्ता दो उनको और बोलना नहीं क्लास चल रही मेरी। If anybody is not getting the question, please let me know, beta. Yashita, are you getting this question, beta?
Yes, sir, tried it.
Okay. And please try to join the class using computer, desktop or laptop. But because whenever we are doing this type of question directly, you can try on TextPad or in BlueJ. That would be easy for you. Who has joined right now? Somebody has joined. Anybody has done? Please try, बच्चों. This much is correct, Priyambada. Have you pasted, beta? After posting, please let me know. Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Ha, Priyamvada, wait. Hmm. Very good, Priyamvada. Absolutely correct. Well done. Sorry, beta. Sorry, bachcho. By mistake, I have disconnected. But now it's okay. Priyamvada, your was correct, beta. Don't worry. Very good. Who else is trying?
Sir, I'm trying.
Okay, please do it fast, bacha. And post in GCR only. And do not post as comment. Directly you can post your post.
Okay, sir.
And after posting, please let me know whether you have posted or not. Do it fast, bache. Arisha, are you doing?
Sir, I was trying, but I'm not getting it right.
No problem. Take your time. Aditya, what is the status?
Doing
Doing na? Rachit,
it.
Kavyansh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Please continue. Bharat, Abhyuday. Okay, beta, try. Beta, Bharat, why are you missing the second term? That is two. Wait a minute, beta, let me check. Na, Abhyuday? I hope this will work. I hope, beta, this will work. Very good logic. You can just try this program on computer also. And let me know whether it is correct, giving the correct output or not. Okay? Abhyuday. Very good. Well done. Anybody else? Okay now. Uh, so let me share my screen. I will explain this question.
Sir, just 5 minutes more.
Okay, Anushka. Okay, no problem. Sarthak. Sarthak Pandey.
Yes, sir.
Have you tried?
Yes, sir. Trying.
Still. Okay. Last 2 minutes, bacho. After that, I will explain this question. And please post in the GCR. Do not post here because the whole program is not coming here. Okay, so bachcho now wait and see the logic which I am going to explain. Those who have done, they can, cross check. Okay, now just try to understand here. My screen is visible, bachcho.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Aditya, Shreya, Anushka, Bharat, Riddhi, please pay attention here and please.
I posted in chat box.
But a chat in the chat box, Anushka. Wait a minute. Uh, Anushka, the loop you have started from the back side means the then okay. But the logic you have tried correct, but this will not execute because of some silly mistake that we are going to discuss, right? The same
Okay,
logic I
sir.
will explain. Don't worry. Okay, Anushka,
Okay, sir.
please look
Yes,
at
sir.
here. So now the logic behind this program, in the question we are supposed to enter the limit, that is your n. After that we are going to start the loop from 1 to n. Natural number means after 1 we will get 2, 3 and 4 till n for natural number. So now what we will do, please see step by step. So first of all we will generate loop from 1 to the limit, but in the question it was already mentioned we are not supposed to generate any twin prime number after this n. So now we will put here n minus 2. Why I am putting this n minus 2, that I will tell you in the next line. We are initializing a variable like int a equals to I, and now one more variable we are using b equals to I plus 2. This is the reason we are starting a loop from 1 to n minus 2. If the value of n is suppose 10, so this loop will execute till 8. So the last value of a would be 8. So automatically in b you are getting the 10. And after that the loop will not execute. Why we are taking the gap of 2? Because in the question I have already told you the twin prime pair are the pairs in which both the numbers must be prime plus their absolute difference must be 2. So if you are using this way, so there is no need to check the condition for absolute difference. Is it okay, everybody?
Yes, sir.
After that what we are supposed to do, just count the factors of a and b. That is up to you how you are counting. You are counting 0 or you are counting 2. That is totally up to you. So for that the common condition that everybody knows, then like C++, one more loop is required, j equals to 1. This time it will go till b, then this. If b mod j equals to 0, then we are using one more variable like d. But there is a problem. The problem is I have not initialized the variable c and d. So for that we can declare those variable with 0 inside the loop. This why we are using inside, why we are declaring inside, because that c and d is not required outside of the outer loop. If you want to declare this c and d here, you can do that also. That is not an issue, right? But Anushka, this c equals to 0 and d equals to 0 must be inside the outer loop, because every time we are counting the factors of natural number, that is your a and b, and there is already a difference of 2 that we have already done, like a equals to I and b equals to I plus 2. Am I clear? After that, what we are supposed to do?
Yes, sir.
Now we will put a simple condition of prime number. So if c equals to 0, at the same time d equals to 0, then what we are supposed to print? We are supposed to print the pair. Which pair? That is A and B, and the program is over. Now let me show you the output. There is no error. Now see, nothing is coming. Why? Let me see. Uh, something
Sir,
is,
in the third change, it was I.
yes, yeah, beta. It has to 1, right? 1 B J plus plus.
And sir, the condition also. It
Okay.
should be true.
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Now see, must be there. Now see, 3 5 and 5 7. One more time I will show you the execution. This time like 100. So there are so many outputs are coming. Oh, sorry, I have entered 1100 instead of 100. So let me now see. These are the twin prime pair below the limit. Hopefully everyone is getting this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any confusion, Bharat? बच्चे, आदित्य मिश्रा, any confusion beta?
No, sir.
I hope you were doing like this way only, right?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Very good. So now, next question लिखिए, everyone. We have to print all Fibonacci prime terms. Fibo prime terms for n number of terms. Fibo prime means the number must be Fibonacci term as well as must be prime. If it is, then you need to print that Fibonacci prime number. Am I clear, everybody? Here, Fibo prime numbers for till n. This is the question. If the number of terms are 5, so the normal Fibonacci terms are 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. So these are the Fibonacci terms. But if it is 5, then you need to print all those number which is prime also, like 2, 3, 5, 13 and so on. Am I clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
And the Fibonacci series is starting from 0, 1, 1. Please try this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, could you please explain the question once again?
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why not? So in this program, we are supposed to print all Fibo prime numbers till n terms. Suppose the value of n users enter 10. So out of 10 Fibonacci terms, you need to print only those which is prime also. The question I have put it in the chat box also, beta. So you need
Yes,
to,
sir. Got it. Thank you, sir.
okay. So you need to print all the Fibonacci prime numbers. Just try everyone. Are you getting this question, all of you? Aryan, Ashok?
Yes, sir.
Good. Arisha, beta, are you getting this question?
Yes, sir. Good.
Good. Soumya, Ashish,
Yes, sir.
are you getting this question, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Vedant, I think your mic is not working. Are you getting this question, Vedant? Thank you, Priyamvada. Bachcho, listen. This will take some time and time is already up. Okay? So, this will be your homework. So, total 2 homework I have given. One is your pattern and one is this question. And okay, Arisha, you have done. Just a minute.
Yes.
C, A, and B. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Okay. But Arisha, your I think the output is correct, but the
Yes, sir.
thing is कि you are generating the Fibonacci series starting from 1 2 3 1 2 3 like this, not 0 1 1. So
Okay.
sometime the examiner in the board user examiner can cut at least 1 marks for this.
Okay, sir.
है ना? So just
Yes.
replace the value of A and B.
Yes,
Rest
sir.
will be fine. Okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Very good, beta. And one more thing. Okay, no issue. This will work. Okay, thank you everyone. With this, I am ending today's class. Just send me
Thank
your
you, sir.
homework as soon as possible within the time. Then only I can respond you properly. Okay, bachcho. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Please try these 2 programs yourself without taking help from anybody. Then only I can understand how much you people are getting. Okay? God bless you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, in this question, sir, do we need to print the number of term which has been entered by the user, or from those Fibonacci series we need to print the prime
No,
numbers?
from those. Suppose the value of n
Suppose
is
if n
10.
is 10, so yes, sir.
So within 1 to 10 terms of Fibonacci, which are prime also, you need to
Yes, sir.
print them only. Right?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, beta.
Thank you.